I'm Polybath, and I travel throughout the country helping schools manage and change difficult behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm here to address one of your questions about consequence. Does everything need a consequence? Great question. Here's the answer. No. You just have to be frank with that one. Here's when we get caught up. Get in a situation, we've handled it, it's kind of over. Like it's at recess, child gets into trouble. We say, hey, walk with me for a few minutes and, don't do that again. We then document the behavior because for some reason we feel we need to write that up and we send it into the office. What do we want? I mean, really, seriously, what do you want? If you handled it in the moment, and even though it wasn't 100% corrected or you don't feel it was a good enough consequence, you handled it. So what more do you want? I think we've got to be careful about wanting that extra consequence that comes from administration or deans or whatever. Unless it's something that's way up here and you didn't get any success with that child, we have to kind of be okay with the fact that we managed it and it doesn't need another layer on top of it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos. If you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.